Farnham Repair Café is one of the first to be launched in the UK. This is a unique concept. It's a collaboration between university and civic society, and we're very pleased to be able to be working in conjunction with Transition Town Farnham. This is about working together, about designing, collaborating, co-developing an initiative that hopefully will develop and expand over the next few years.
So in terms of the volunteers that are here, that are doing the repairing activities, they're all enthusiastic people who have a combination of good problem-solving skills as well as good technical skills. And they're motivated to give something back to the community. And this was a slightly interesting finding from our survey of the then 500 repair cafes, now 700, is that there are a group of people who want to share that repair. They want to give something back to the community.
We're hoping that people will come here with stuff that's broken. We give them a diagnosis, this is what's broken, we share what we can about what can be done with them. And if we can't get it actually fixed, we can say, well look, from here you can go to this person in the town who's got a workshop and they will help you take it through. So what I represent is a group called Transition Town Farnham, and we're part of Farnham community, we're people who live in the town. And we have been running our group now since about 2008, and we have always been interested in community action. At the moment we've got people in repair skills covering electrical repairs, mechanical repairs, textile repairs, bike repairs, and doing something which is creative upcycling with broken waste stuff, manufactured waste stuff. And we really do need to get people here who've got repair skills in electronics, people with repair skills in furniture and repairing broken wooden artifacts, and also people with repair skills in ceramics. We're very keen to develop this upcycling aspect, recrafting, if you like, of manufactured wastes, which in our daily lives are just seen as waste.
So what we have is a growing concern about moving away from this idea of the take, make, waste economy and generate economies that materials circulate much more effectively in the system and don't leak to landfill.